Sixth graders, this is to help you with question 3 on CR 23. It says find the quotient. So we have to divide. We have to divide 8 1/3 by 7/9. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take 8 1/3 and rewrite that as an improper fraction. Fraction greater than 1. So what I'll do for that is I'll do 3 times 8. 3 times 8 is 24. Then I'll add on one more third. 24 plus 1 is 25. So that tells me 8 1/3 is 25 thirds. And I could draw a visual for that. I could draw 8 whole rectangles if I really wanted to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are so ugly, but oh well. Break that into 3 parts. Break that one into 3 parts. 3 parts. These should be 3 equal parts. 3 parts, 3 parts, 3 parts, 3 parts. And then I have an extra 1/3 here. 1 out of 3 parts. 8 1/3, and I guarantee you I have 25 thirds here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. That's 25 thirds if you have 8 whole rectangles and a third of another one. So now if we take 8 1/3, divide it by 7/9. 8 1/3, we just agreed, was 25 thirds. 25 thirds divided by 7/9. At that point, I will keep, change, flip. I'll keep that first fraction, 25 thirds. I'll change my division to multiplication, and I'll flip over that second fraction to 9/7. At that point, I could choose to multiply straight across the top, straight across the bottom, or I could simplify. 3 goes into 3 once, 3 goes into 9 3 times. Now I'll multiply straight across the top, straight across the bottom. 25 times 3 is 75 over 1 times 7 is 7. This is 75 divided by 7. So I'll take 75 and divide that by 7. 7 goes into 7 once. 1 times 7 is 7. Subtract off, that's a 0. Drag down that 5. How many times does 7 go into 5? 0 times. 0 times 7 is 0. Subtract off, we got 5 left over. That's 10 5/7. So if I chose to draw 10 whole rectangles and 5/7 of another rectangle, I'll guarantee you that would get me to 75/7. 10 5/7 is your final answer. So you rewrite your mixed number as an improper fraction. Then you keep, change, flip. Once you simplify, multiply straight across the top, straight across the bottom, and then long divide out. I hope that helps.